we go. What is that in the bag of crap? We got it. This cup. We got this and we got coffee. Chocolate cupcakes. We got this. Okay, Robotboy, I'll get you out. Ruby, gotta go. Wow, that's weird. That's enough videos on the Robot Boys and the hunger for me fired and fat for because of right now you're very good. Wait a minute. What was that noise? Where is sound coming from? Why did because the cupcake is in front me because the cupcakes in front front is kill my stomach.
Okay, to be continued.